Hi, welcome to SL Chef Art YouTube channel. I am making a bolognese sauce today. You can use this for many things, especially for pasta, lasagna. If you haven't subscribed yet, keep subscribed. Beef stock 4 liter with demi-glace 3 teaspoon. Have to make brown roux, 100 grams butter and 100 grams flour. Mix well. Need Italian herbs. Well, now let's make a sauce. Add olive oil 200 milliliters. ,500 grams of chopped onion. Add the garlic 100 grams when the onion are slightly brown. Add celery chopped 50 grams. Add 5 kilograms minced beef. Mix well. Mix well until the water is removed from meat. Add tomato paste 400 grams. Mix little. Add the blended peeled tomato 5 liter and mix. Add 4 liter beef stock and demi-glace 3 teaspoon. Add bay leaves 5 pieces, and Italian herbs. Add black pepper powder 2 teaspoon. Mix well. Add brown roux. Mix well. Remove the foam at same time of forming. Mix well. Remove the foam at same time of forming. Now the sauce is ready. Look at the thickness. Thanks for watching.